We are the suckers of the world, paying far more to an industry which is the most profitable industry in this country, earning $27 billion in profits.
The drug companies make a lot of campaign contributions, but maybe, just maybe, Congress might have the radical idea
To take on the insurance companies and the drug companies and finally establish a single-payer national health care system guaranteeing health care to all people. Well, the pharmaceutical industry fought us from the beginning on this bipartisan effort.
Well, that is what you get when you spend
more than $4 billion in lobbying and campaign contributions,
and you have 1,400 lobbyists,
often former leaders of our two major parties, to fight for their profits. In other words, they own Washington.
Mr. Speaker, the pharmaceutical companies constitute the most profitable industry in this country. Yet while their profits soar,
there are thousands of people in this country every year who are dying.
Millions of Americans cannot afford the prescription drugs they desperately need because of the high prices they are forced to pay.
According to figures recently published by the United States Senate,
1 out of 5 Americans
are not able to afford a medicine that can be purchased for pennies for treatment.
It is beyond my comprehension that you're sitting here saying we can bring in vegetables and fish from all over the world, but we cannot bring in brand name drugs manufactured by the largest pharmaceutical companies in the world from a country like Canada. I just do not accept that.
With a possible exception, in my view, of Wall Street, the pharmaceutical industry is the most powerful political force in this country.
It is an outrage that the people of this country pay 2 times, 5 times, 10 times more for the same exact drugs.
I say to President Trump, if you are serious about lowering prescription drug costs in this country, support our legislation and get your Republican colleagues on board.